Hello students, today I am going to solve another question using the substitution method or simply U-substitution. So here is the question. You cannot solve this question using the conventional method of integration or antiderivative of a function. So you have to rely on some special method, which is the substitution method. So the question comes, what should be the value of our u, or what should we are going to suppose the value of u. To be very honest, this comes, or this decision comes after a long practice. So when you are done with it, it's simply no clue taking this. So I am simply taking x minus 1 because I have practiced a lot and I know that this would work. So differentiating this function with respect to x would be 1, or simply du is equals to dx. Now substitute this value in our original question. We have integral of x square. So x square, the value of x can be taken out from here. The value of x is u plus 1. So x square would be u plus 1 whole square, and under root x minus 1 is u, under root of u, and we know dx is equals to du, so I can simply write du instead of dx. So the overall question has been shifted for u. Now the next step would be simplifying this term. It can be simplified by using a plus b whole square. So I am going to simply write u square plus 2u plus 1, and we know that square root means that something has power 1 upon 2, or simply 0.5. Now the next step is to multiply this value by this bracket. So it would be u square into u power 0.5 plus 2u into u power 0.5 plus u power 0.5, and is all multiplied by du operator. Now we know that from the algebra that if the bases are same, we can add the powers. So it would become 2.5 plus 2u 1.5 plus u simply 0.5 and du. Now the laws of integration says that if the terms are being added and they are being multiplied by a common operator, so I can simply write it like this. I can take separate integral of those terms, so it would become simply more simpler, so that we can take their antiderivative much easily. So now the things got more easy. I can integrate the term separately. So integrating this term would yield u power 3.5 over 3.5 plus 2u power 2.5 over 2.5 plus, integrating this term, u power 1.5 over 1.5 plus c. Okay, so that should not be our final answer. In the last step, we have to replace this value by the original value. We have u is equals to x minus 1, so I've got to replace this value to finalize an answer. So that's our final answer, and I hope you have learned it well and understood it well. If you have any questions, without any hesitation, write me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.